Hello everybody, this is Sophia coming at you with another Sanrio video. I've been making a lot of purchases on Sanrio website frequently, especially since they have so many cute collections coming out. Every Friday around 9 they have a new collection, and last week I noticed that they posted the whole this is like Hawaiian theme. I mean, it's all in Japanese, so I don't know what this means, but they all look like they're ready. They've been on a trip to Hawaii, and I am for the tan skin. They're all so cute. They have, of course, Hello Kitty and her twin sister Mimi, My Melody, Kuromi. You see that? Oh my gosh. Palm, Pachako, my fave, Cinnamon Roll, and Charmy Kitty. And they all have like a little stone on their ear. I ordered 8 of them, so they didn't send me the whole box complete, but we'll see. I did get 8, so we're gonna get started. Okay, I would love to get all 8 of them, of course, but I have to have my guy Pachako, and I have to have Charmy Kitty and Palm. This cracks me up. Okay. There's a cutout right here. Maybe this might be the actual size. Oh, yep, we have Pom Pom right at the start. These are nice. There's his bum hole. I'm not allowed to say that. But he has like a surprised look on his face. He has this little crystal. It looks like a topaz. And his shorts are just... Actually, this is the front. But he's looking back. His pants are coming down, and so that's why he looks so surprised. Because you can see his bum. But this is cute. Here's box number 2. Oh dear. Ooh, we have Mimi, the sister. This is so cute, guys. Even though there's like a little, see a little blotch right here. These are well made, and they were only $8.99. I believe they're still available on Sanrio.com. Last time I checked this morning. Oh, this is cute. You don't normally see her in tan and in an all black wardrobe. Here's the third box. I think I'll get the scissors because I'm just all over the place here. Let's see who we get. We have Hello Kitty, our girl, looking very hula and tan. She has a nice magenta outfit. She has 2 flowers in her hair instead of the traditional bow, her well-known bow. But I guess it kind of resembles a bow. There's one big one and one small little, what are these called again? They're beautiful, like Hawaiian flowers. I love the magenta. Very cute. And then this is our 4th box here. Oh dang, we got a dupe, so that means I'm missing some. I'm gonna not get the complete set. So I'm a little disappointed in that. Very cute, but I was hoping to get all 8 of them. Oh dear. Okay. Well, best to move along. Gosh, I wonder who I'm gonna miss out on. It better not be Pachako or Charmy Kitty. I know that. Dang, no more dupes, please. Oop. Sanrio, if you're watching, next time just send the whole box. I purchased 8 of them. Okay, this one feels like Charmy Kitty. Oh, no, I was way off. It's my Melody. She also has like a magenta, I mean, it's her traditional pink hoodie, but it has a little purple in it, so that's why I call it magenta. And then there's the stone crystal. And she has two cute little, are these hibiscus? I'm assuming that's what you call them. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. And she has a surprised look on her face. Okay, this is our 6 box. I just really, really want Pachaco. Please, 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 please. It's cinnamon roll. I mean, at least it's not a dupe. And he looks adorable. Kind of looks like Mocha with the tan. And then he has these cute little sunglasses. His Hawaiian shirt. And then he's got like a blue crystal on this ear. Okay, I'm glad it's not a dupe, but we need Pachaco, please. Here's the 7th box, and still no Pachaco or Charming Kitty. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm just gonna go ham on this. Come on, please. Ugh! No, are you kidding me? Oh, I'm trying not to curse, trying not to curse. Man, I'm not gonna get both Charming Kitty or Pachaco. Did they take them out on purpose? Oh my gosh. And then I'm not even gonna get, it's either gonna be Charming Kitty, Kuromi, and Pachaco. And those are my favorites. I know I say Kuromi, but she's definitely a favorite. My least favorite are these 3. And I got them. Oh my gosh, please. Okay, please, 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 please. Oh, I have Kuromi. I'm happy. But I am sorely, sorely disappointed in the dupes that I got. I did not get a Pachaco. He's my favorite. And I did not get a Charming Kitty. I feel like I was sabotaged. Like, they purposely took that out. Maybe I'm just being bitter, but that's how I feel right now. Okay, so we're lining all of them up. Hello Kitty. I mean, and then I have these 2 dupes. Where's the green? I mean, I need green. It's all just pink and yellow and black and blue. Okay, so obviously I didn't get the ones that I truly wanted. If anybody is willing to trade for a trade their Pachaco or their Charming Kitty, I highly doubt it because they're amazing characters. I am willing to trade with you, please. Help a girl out, a Pachaco fan. Alright guys, well, this is the Sanrio haul for the Hawaiian collection minifigures from Sanrio.com, and I'm happy and a little disappointed. But that's okay. Christmas is coming and I will have more videos up, more Sanrio videos. And of course, a reveal of all of my Christmas goodies. Stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, on a happier note, I managed to grab these cuties. Got them from Japan, LA. I have Chaco Cat. I have Hello Kitty. And then I was able to get 2 more. One moment. Okay, I got Cinnamon Roll 2. There's the back. And then, of course, Pachaco, my favorite. I got this in a previous order, not from Sanrio.com, but from Japan, LA. I don't even think they have it on Sanrio.com, but I'm happy to have him. So this is not a sad video. This is ending. This is a happy ending. I got my Pachaco. I got Chaco Cat. Those are the ones I really wanted. So thank you for still sticking by. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.